Changing your life in just 28 days. How can you change your life in just 28 days? The first thing would be to create a strong foundation. Our shockwave energy treatment is a healing method that can be done online or in person. It starts activating within your body. Rejuvenate the cells, thus causing your body to heal faster and stronger than ever before. Your body starts to align into the position that it was meant to be in. The cells working at their full potential, stronger and faster than ever before. You'll notice the difference instantly. After 28 days, you'll also find that your foundation has become stronger and straighter. This can all be done in a 15-minute session. You will feel and see your body getting straighter. Your healing process will now be active. The next step, once your body has been aligned and the foundation has become stable, the healing may begin. This happens in 6 sessions. 2 sessions are set to stop the damage from spreading and removal of pain. 4 sessions are for rejuvenation, basically making your body feel good again. If you ask us to explain this in another way, I want you to think about how, over time, a house will deteriorate, leakages occur, and the foundation can be weakened. No matter what you do, no matter how small the damage is, it will just keep increasing. You can try everything you want, but as the house gets older over time, everything starts to decay or break. The wear and tear can no longer patch up. The more you work on trying to fix the problem and change it, the worse it can become. You're just covering up over the damages, thus the house will still crumble behind the facade. However, energy is something that is in all of us, possessed. And our way of healing is a one of a kind. There is nothing like it in this world. Imagine our chakra treatment as a way of straightening the very core of the foundation, stabilizing the outer wall and bonding everything within as a whole. Now your home is stable, where everything can function as new. The first retreatment is to stop the damage and remove the cause, after which the problem will go away. The last 4 sessions will be the renewal stage, making the house new again, taking away all the damages and replacing them inside without surgery. No external construction needs to be done. The work is done internally. Instead of 12 doctors who have millions of cells working around the clock, they are able to take their time and they know what they are doing. No matter how many surgeons you get, they will never know exactly how it's meant to be. They don't have the blueprint for your body. They have a general idea. Any construction engineer, any carpenter would know from a blueprint how to do it, but they cannot work off a generalized one. That's what most hospitals do. By allowing your body to heal the right way, each stage may take 28 days, but why in such a hurry? If you can start over brand new, change your health by 100%, even if it takes 100 days, is your life not worth that? To have the pain gone, the body straighter, and the issues disappear, is your body not worth it? Then all you have to do is enjoy your life. And the great news is that your body is in a constant state of healing. If there are any questions or doubts, come and see us. But it will open up your window to the possibilities of having a brand new life, restoring you to your former self, greater body, healthier organs, better life. See how wonderful you could feel. Wouldn't it be wonderful to just step outside and know that your issues are going away? Each day you are getting better, even though it will feel much faster than that. Just imagine each day you are getting stronger. Each day your life changes, even though you have already forgotten about your issues. Your body will continue to get stronger. Majority of clients have forgotten about their issues within 2 weeks or less, even though their body was still in the healing process. Keep in mind, the more damage you have, the more treatment is required. But imagine a single issue treated with just 6 sessions after the foundation treatment. Through our sound wave technology from our audio, you will be able to heal faster. Once the pain is gone, you know that you will be entering into the healing stage. Once the healing stage is past it, you're in the recovery stage. It's very simple. Pain disappears, you're going through the healing stage. Then, after that, you're going into the recovery stage. All in 28 days. Wouldn't it be great to have your life back? If you're tired, sitting or standing, because the pain is just too much, then it's time to change. Time to get up and say, hey, you know what? I'm ready for a change. This is not the way my life was meant to be. Previous treatments haven't helped you, and it's not gonna help you now. But we can. Each building is different. Each person is different. But energy and self are in all of them. Trillions of them. Now let's get them to start working again. Let's reach the part that moves them into the path that is meant to be, into the position that we need them, and to get them active again. This is your life. It is time to use your ability to heal. There's no science fiction to this. We are in a generation where we have the ability to heal. We have the knowledge and the understanding to know that this is not a miracle. This is not magic. This is just a fact that we can heal when others say it's impossible.